Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can split your video or picture in InStaShot. So for that, you have to follow my tutorial. So first, we'll get into InStaShot. And once we reach there, we're going to click on videos. And if you want to add new videos, you can do that. You can make a new tutorial on that. But I have already created my one of the old videos, so I'll teach you on that. So I'm going in there. And once I reach in there, for example, this is my video that has a background on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll on the upper, on the sticker side, and you can see other options. I'm going to on the side, and you can see an option called split. So if I want to split my video, like for example, if I want to split my video in here, I'm going to click on split. And this way you can see both videos are split. And if I want to add any other effect in between them or any other option, if I wanted to, I can do that. So this is the easiest method on how you can split two videos and add in transition if you want to. That can be done as well. So this is the quickest method on how you can do that. If you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.